Hi there and welcome to a new video by Yes and Explore. Yes, it has finally happened. Lawrence's lifelong dream of going to Japan has come true. Our first stop is Tokyo, of course, and we'll be sharing our review of the hotel that we stayed at, which is the Nohga Hotel in Akihabara. Location-wise, this hotel is absolutely perfect. It's about an 8-minute walk to Akihabara Station. This is a JR station that includes the Yamanori line, which makes traveling around very convenient. At about a 4-minute walk in the other direction, you'll find Suweirocho Station, which is connected to the Ginza line. The hotel is just 2 blocks away from the main street, and there are numerous restaurants and mini-marts nearby. Upon entering the Nohga Hotel, you'll notice that there's a restaurant at the front. We didn't try it out during our stay because there were already so many delicious things to eat, but apparently the restaurant is quite good. The whole atmosphere of the hotel entrance looks very nice and everything feels modern yet warm. To get to the reception, you can take the stairs to the 2nd floor, but no worries, there's also an elevator available. Instead of providing the amenities in the room, the hotel keeps them at the reception. They're all complimentary, but this way you'll only take what you need. They offer all the classics such as razors, toothbrushes, cotton pads, and even face masks. There's also a little shop to buy bathrobes and other hotel products if you happen to really like them for some reason. We found that the atmosphere near the reception was really relaxing, and despite the hotel being fully booked, it never seemed busy or hectic. Our room was on the 10th floor and we booked a superior double room. For this, we paid 122 euros per night, and this is a rate excluding breakfast. And as always, we are greeted by the lovely Lawrence and will take an immediate turn to the right. And we step into the bathroom. Now, the bathroom is not very big, but it does have the highlight of the entire room. It's a real Japanese toilet with lots of cool functions. This toilet even has a button to open and close the seat. Honestly, I do not know why this has never been in my life before. It also comes with numerous functions to spray and clean yourself, and it has a seat warmer. On the other side we have the sink, and as evidenced by the clutter you can tell that we already unpacked, and at that point we had already stayed in the room for a few nights. Then if you go again to the right, there's a separate door for the shower. And the shower was really big and it has some really good water pressure. We'll go back and step into the room and pretend we didn't see that. There is some space there to hang your clothes and a full-length mirror. And there we go, we have the double bed with 2 duvets and Lawrence dreaming of more likes for this video and subscribers for our channel. Back to the bed. The duvets that were on top were super soft and made you not want to leave at all. The mattress itself was on the firm side, but still very comfortable. Before we move on, let's check out the nightstand. It looks like a switchboard, but there are all buttons to control the lights. Then for the rest of the room, there is a really big smart TV, which you can also extend so you can watch TV from the bed. And further, you'll find a radio set, a mini fridge that's filled with our own stuff, and a tea kettle. Finally, there's also a little sofa for lounging or space to store your luggage. And of course, we have a view from our room, and it looked like this. is in true Japanese fashion on the smaller side, but is really well equipped and very comfortable. We had no problem staying here for 7 nights. The hotel also has a gym. You do have to make a reservation for a time slot if you want to use it. And when we got inside, we immediately understood why, because, well, the room is really tiny. But they do provide free water in a Red Bull branded mini fridge, and there are some machines to do a workout. You'll have the treadmill, a bicycle, a bench, and some funny looking adjustable weights. All in all, we both really like this hotel. It has a great location, the room is super comfortable, and the atmosphere is really nice. Also, in comparison to other hotels in Tokyo, the price per night is definitely good value for what you get in return. And of course, it also helped that we had an absolute blast in Tokyo. Stay tuned for our next video. We'll visit Disneyland Tokyo and show you our perfect day plus everything we ate there. And spoiler alert, it's a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that if you want to see more, subscribe to us at Yes and Explore. Bye!